Okay, so
wants,
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
I
So
mean,
talking about accountability, there's oral that has been
yes,
put out by the NDC as a way of addressing the corrupt practices of public officials. And I think during the vetting of the Attorney General nominee, he also mentioned the potential reintroduction of the public tribunals,
mm,
analogous to what happened in, I think, was it the AFRC or PNDC days?
PNDC
Uh,
era.
yeah, PNDC. So, do you think these are mechanisms that can improve the accountability of public officials, or?
To start with, you know, the perception about the public tribunals, there was an outcry against them, particularly by the legal profession. They boycotted them for a long time. Um, Even though they tried to placate them by providing for an appeal to the National Appeals Tribunal, and they still were not satisfied. And so they dovetailed them into the Constitution. It's like that, because their decisions were appealable to the Court of Appeal and so forth. Nonetheless, their composition was so that you have a presiding judge is a professional, plus two non-professionals or three. And so lawyers certainly will not be happy with that system, because a lawyer will make fix his tackle based on the legal rules. He feels that with that, when he fixes his tackle well, in terms of the legal rules and principles, he is going to be victorious. Not necessarily so in the public tribunal where they say technicalities, so-called technicalities. But I think that by and large, the tribunals, particularly after the first heady days of the revolutionary idea, they were functioning quite well.
Okay.
And I think that's why when the three high court judges and the retired
I'm
army
off.
major were adopted and
Major.
amended, it was the public that cried against their trial before the ordinary courts. It was the public.
Okay.
So they had to be tried by the public tribunal. And I mean, they didn't acquit them.